Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School which is situated in Golabazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today's class I am going to start your grammatical part. So dear student, for that you all take out your Tune into Grammar book, and in this video we are going to talk about the naming words. We will discuss about the naming words. So dear student, tell me, what is naming words? Do you know about this topic? Let's have a quick overview on this topic. So first of all, you all take out your book and open chapter number 1. It is first topic of your grammar book, and the topic is naming words. Naming words are noun. We can also call it noun. Okay student? So let's start. Dear student, this is your English grammar book. Tune into grammar like this, and you all open the first topic, that is naming words. So in this topic we will learn about that what is naming word. So student, as you all know that everything has a name. Everything has name. We call people, things, place and animals by names. Dear student, everything in this world has a name, and we call people, things, places and animals by name. So here is the question, what are the things around you? What are the things around you? Can you name a few? For example, if you are in a classroom, so tell me how many things that you seen in your classroom. For example, in your classroom there is a desk, bench, blackboard, chalk, duster, book, copies, bags. So these all things are known by as their name. As their name. So student, is that clear that everything has a name? For example, in your classroom, there are so many students in your classroom, and each student have any name. So we call them by their name. For example, your teacher also have a name. So student, so everything has a name, okay? We can say that people, things, places and animals all have their own name. Okay student, so let's start the next, that is read these sentences. So first of all, we have to read these given sentences, that is the mango is my favorite fruit. Student, there is a the mango is my favorite fruit. Second sentence is the garden is full of red roses. Next is the book is on the table. After that, Samrat Roy is a kind man. Samrat Roy is a kind man. Now the next is an elephant lives in a forest. Rita has a doll. Salini has a rabbit. Its name is Tiara. After that, the capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of India is New Delhi. So dear student, as you can see, there is a words are given in red color, that is a name of fruits, vegetables, any persons, animals, okay? So that's why these all highlighted words are given in red color, because these all are naming words, okay? Because we know these things by name. Okay student, so in these sentences as we read, so in these sentences Samrat Roy, Rita and Shalini are the names of people. In these given sentences that we learn, that we read, given words Samrat Roy, man, Rita, Shalini are the names of the people, and the words garden, forest, capital, India and New Delhi are the names of places. Dear student, the given name Samrat Roy, man, Rita and Shalini are the names of people, and the words garden, forest, capital, India and New Delhi are the names of places. The words elephant, rabbit and tiara are the names of animals. The words elephant, rabbit and tiara are the names of animals, and after that the words fruit, roses, table and doll are the names of things. So all these names are naming words. All these names are naming words. So here is the very important note for you. You have to remember it. Dear student, naming words are the names of people. Every student, you must be learn this given notes. What is this? Naming words are the names of people, places, things or animals. For example, Ram, girl, India, city, chair, pencil, cat, dog, etc. One more time we are going to read this given notes. Naming words are the names. In a simple way we can say that naming word is a name. Okay? Because every people, each people, place, animal, things have a name. So dear student, you must be learn that naming words are the names of people, places, things or animals. Naming words are the names of people, places, things or animals. For example, we can say Ram, girl, India, city, chair, pencil, cat, dog, etc. Okay. So now moving to the next, read the given. So dear student, now you all understand that what is naming words. It is very simple for understanding that naming word is a name of any people, places, things or animals. So let's do this given exercise according to the knowledge of naming words. Okay student, so it is first exercise you have to do. So what will we do in this given exercise? So dear student, there is match the picture with the naming words. Here is the match the pictures with the naming words that we learn. So let's do the given exercise. So first of all, tell me, what is this? Who is this? Tell me. Have you know it? Who is this? So student, this is a cow. We all know this given animals by its name, and its name is cow. So where is the option of cow? There is a in option number G. So we have to match number 1 with G, that is cow. What is spelling of cow? C-O-W, cow. Okay student. Now the next second. Now the second picture of a things. So what is this? This is a cap. So we have to match with number second with F, that is cap. What is spelling of cap? So C-A-P, cap. Okay. Now the third. What we call it? It is an animal and its name is dog. So we have to match third with I, that is dog. We have to match number third with I, that is dog. Okay. Now come to the fourth. What is fourth? In number fourth, tell me what is this? This is flower. What we call it? We call it flower. So we have to match number 4 with J, that is flower. Okay. Now come to the next, number 5. So tell me, what we call it? We call it snack. We call it snack. So we have to match number 5 with C, that is snack. Okay. Next is number 6. What is 6? What we call it? We call it, tell me, hill. Okay, we call it hill. So we have to match number 6 with B. Okay student. Now we moving to the next picture. So that is, who is this? Tell me. We have to match number 7 with E, because he is a doctor. We call this given picture doctor. Okay, it's a name of a people. So we have to match with E, that is doctor. Come to the next, number 8. So what is number 8? What we call? We call it baby. We have to match number 8 with D. Okay student, we have to match number 8 with D, that is baby. What is the spelling of baby? B-A-B-Y, baby. You can also learn the given spelling. Okay student, now moving to the next, number 9. So tell me, what is it? What we call it? So we call it rabbit. What is this? This is rabbit. So we have to match number 9 with A, that is rabbit. We have to match number 9 with A, that is rabbit. Okay student. Now moving to the next last one. So tell me, who is she? She is mother. She is mother. So we have to match this number 10 with S, that is mother. What is spelling of mother? M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. Okay students, so like this you have to complete this first exercise of your book. So one more time we are going to recheck. So what we call it, tell me? It is cow, C-O-W, cow. Second is cap, C-A-P, cap. Third is dog, D-O-G, dog. Fourth is flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Fifth is snack, S-N-A-K-E, snack. Number 6 is heel, H-I-L-L, heel. Number 7 is doctor, D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 8 is baby, B-A-B-Y, baby. Number 9 is rabbit, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Number 10 is mother, M-O-T-H-E-R, mother. So we call this given picture by their name. Okay students, so it is very simple that we know everything by their name. We call everything by their name. Okay students, so I hope is that clear to you that what is the naming words. Naming words are the name of people, places, things or animals, and here are some examples of these naming words. So you have to learn it and also write the definition of naming words in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay student, your today's homework is you have to note down the definition of naming words that is given in this bracket. Okay students, so you must be learn and write the definition of naming words, and that's it for today. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.